download button, then allow it to download. Press the open. Click continue. Click the cancel button. It's at the up side. Pick the 3D, then press allow. Select the image you want. Select any picture you want to use. Make sure it is all the face. A heart is gonna play, allow it for you to play. So I'm trying to adjust my picture right here. Adjust to the size you want. I just use my 2 hands to double tap. When I double tap, the picture just gets bigger. If you can check at the up side. So I try to adjust it and make the picture a little bit bigger. The size of the picture is gonna change. Then you press OK to continue. Then you wait for it. Gonna wait. Your Wi-Fi or your internet must be on. Your Wi-Fi must be on. Take a little hit. To just adjust it till you find your satisfaction or the one you want. I kept on playing with it. This one looks weird, so I ended up going back to the bell too. I think I just played around for a few minutes and I ended up choosing. What I noticed about this, it depends on the picture you're using. This is the mini pic image. If you want the image you're using to show, you just click on that image. An ad is gonna play, just allow it to play. Then after then your picture is saved. I went on into my gallery save and I tried to adjust the color and the saturation of the picture of the cartoon. I wanted to illuminate all the characters to be more light, so I just went on to play around with the saturation. I play around with it a lot.
Hi there. Do you want to have maximum fun? Have you heard about Star Maker? Star Maker is a singing app that helps with your pitch